Installation Guide. Step 1. Confirm the landing gear size. The Spotlight offers 3 types of adapters: 20mm, 25mm, and 30mm. Note, for the 20mm specification, insert a liner inside the 25mm adapter. After confirming the size, install adapters onto both sides of the landing gear located beneath the drone's nose. It is recommended to insert the 20mm adapter before assembling the landing gear. Step 2. Secure both spotlights onto the adapter. Step 3. Insert the spotlight cable into the port on the back of the spotlight. Then, route the cable through the hole at the bottom of the drone and into the front section of the drone. Step 4. Connect the spotlight cable to the control module. Then plug the control module's power cable into the power distribution board. Step 5. Use the signal cable to connect the control module to the GND and DM ports on the receiver. Debugging Guide. Step 1. Turn on the remote controller and power on the drone. Open the H12 Assistant. Click on Advanced Options, enter the password, and select Adjust Parameters. Set channel 9 to the G-dial switch and save the settings. Step 2. Rotate the G-dial on the remote controller and check whether the spotlight switches on and off properly and whether the brightness adjusts normally. If the above tests are completed and everything functions correctly, the drone is ready for normal flight operations. Follow us to get more practical tutorials and updates.